Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your TikTok issues. To know how to find a solution about TikTok, you should just go to settings. Here in this page, you will enter to apps, default apps, app settings. When you will find this window of apps, you will enter to the window of TikTok. Here in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to storage. Here we click clear cache, and in the end you can turn off your phone. You will wait 3 seconds and you can turn on your phone again to fix that problem. Then you can know how to fix your TikTok privacy. So please don't forget to support us by so please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.